Nayla, you don't seem to understand what I'm saying here. You have to send the pussy pics. I need, oh boy, Andy needs to know what I'm getting myself into. I mean, Nayla, if you want to see my ass and my dick, I'll show you. I'm not scared. I'll show you. If you want to see me naked, I'll show you right now. I ain't got nothing to hide. I'll show you right now. Hey, I showed you, right? See? I showed you. So, Nayla, you got girl. You on the clock. You girl, you gotta show me that pussy, man. I don't want to hear no lip. I don't want to hear no lip. No exception.